Welcome everyone! In this video, we'll be talking to you about the deprovisioning testing use case. In this use case, we'll be focusing on how you can conduct your deprovisioning testing using DataSnipper. In the use case in itself, we're testing IT controls to verify the accuracy and timeliness of user account deprovisioning, for which we'll be inspecting IT tickets, which means we'll be going through a lot of documentation and processing this as evidence. As the IT tickets will be the same layout, we will be performing the same task over and over again, which could be complex to review if not documented clearly. The use case starts with selecting the various user accounts to test for which we'll receive IT tickets. As they have the same layout, we can utilize form extraction to extract all of these details at once and subsequently inspect all the information needed directly through the linked snips, where we can confirm or deny by utilizing validation and exception snips. So in the use case file, we'll see that we have our IT tickets included. These IT tickets all have the same layout, as we can see while navigating through the files, which means we'll be utilizing form extraction to very quickly and efficiently extract the details necessary. Our testing template provides the details we need, so we simply create the same setup. By utilizing form extraction, we'll select Start New Form Extraction in the top right corner, which will prompt an overview asking us to select the files that we want to test. We'll click on OK. After selecting the files, and as each IT ticket has its own document, we'll simply start extracting per document, where by clicking on Add Extraction, we'll add in all our details. We can improve the accuracy by utilizing the keys and ensuring that it has a correct anchoring point. And we'll pull out all the information from the remaining files we need, as we'll be storing this as a template for future purposes. We'll rename each of the data fields we're extracting, making it very clear what information is being pulled from the files. So whenever we distribute these templates company-wide, all other users know exactly which information is being leveraged. By defining the various labels, they will also appear on the right-hand side in our preview, making it even more clear throughout our testing what fields are included. Subsequently, we'll extract the final data element. And once we've done this and provided it an adequate name, all we need to do is click on Save as Template to ensure it's saved for later purposes. We can define the name of the template and add a description to make it clear what the template is to be used for. As a final step to create the snips, we click on Export to Excel. These are now included in a new Form Extraction tab, which we can simply copy and paste into our Testing tab, where we can start reviewing all the outputs. We're inspecting the difference in dates between the date of termination of the employee and the disabled date of the account, where we want to make sure that these all fall within a bandwidth of no more than 3 days. Once verified correctly, we'll use the validation snip to clarify this. This allows us to indicate that this is indeed in line with our expectations. And of course, further in the testing template, we can verify this with a yes or no, whether the conclusion is appropriate. Thank you for watching this video. Happy snipping!